Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a journal here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a custom journal in Canva is a fun and creative process that allows you to design personalized pages and layouts. Now, on the Canvas homepage, you can click on the Create a Design button here in the top left corner. Now, on the custom size, if you wanted to have a custom journal size, which includes A4, that's going to be like 210 to 297 millimeter mm. If you're using inches, that's going to be different. It should be 8.5 by 11. All right, so these are some of your options. If you are unsure on the size of a typical journal, all you're going to do is click on the create a design again, and of course you can choose from on the search bar, type in journal. What will happen is you would be given all of these options. You see 8.5 by 11, right? Journal background is 8.5 by 11. On similarly for the food journal book cover, that's going to be 1410 by 2250 pixel in prayer book, and you have a lot of, or you have the journal templates here. You can use all of them depending on your preferences and needs. So these are, you want to make sure that you avoid all those with Canva Pro, because you can only use this premium template using a Canva Pro subscription. Obviously, we're using the free one, so we're gonna skip that. We're going looking for the free one. But again, if you have a specific design in mind, just click on the create a blank journal. All right, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm going to choose something like best resembles our logo. I'm gonna choose this one for now. Blue watercolor floral cover. All right, now obviously you can with Canva, you can choose the small, large. We're gonna choose that later, but for now we're gonna be choosing this customize this template so we can add more elements into it. All right, so what will happen is it would be forwarded here in this section. Obviously you can work with the elements. I'm gonna rename this to this. I'm gonna delete some of the options here, and I'm going to add a photo. All right, so I'm going to add this image right here, probably around here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so we can have room for the design. Now I'm gonna make it go into the effect. This should be white in color, and then the border should be kind of like a blue one. I'm gonna make it like this, all right? So it pops out. Now here on the back, on the bottom, you can put in, now you can put in as much as page as you can. You can duplicate all the pages that you wanted. All right, you can design the interior pages. Now for each page in the journal, you can create a new page by clicking this add a page at the bottom, or you can simply click this option that says duplicate page. All right, now from here you can use different elements of each page, such as lines or grids. Again, you can put in a text box. For example, we're going to be putting a something like this one right here. We're gonna make it a little bit different this time. I'm gonna make the color a little bit different, probably this one. The effects is gonna be that, or a shadowy color. Now you might want to click on the option here to present full screen to check if the design blends perfectly well. All right, as you can see, I'm happy with this design. If you click on the arrow to go to the next page, right? And of course, you can adjust the numbering as needed. Now, once you are happy with this, just go to the top right corner and click on the share button. If you want to download this one as a PNG, all right, a JPEG, a PDF standard, which is going to be best for documents and emailing. If you're working with a team members, collaborators, or with your client or with your boss, you might want to do that. Or if you want to use the PDF print, which is going to be best for printing, all right, you have all these options. You can choose the crop marks and bleed, flatten the PDF, include notes if you have that. The notes are here. If you want to add notes, for example, you can put that. If you go to the share option again, and download as a PDF per print, the notes that you have put in will be included. All right. Now, do not use the RGB. That is only used during digital use. Instead, I want you to click on the CMYK, which is best for professional printing, right? And you can try it for 30 days. Now, another option is you have this option that says print with Canva. If you click that, you would notice you have the option to select your front cover, back cover, and what size are you going to print this one. Is it going to be small, which is this dimension, or are you going to use the large? If you are not sure, you might want to click on the size guide. You have the inside pages for or the college ruled, right? In cover type, is it going to be a soft cover or a hard cover? Now, how many copies would you like to work on it? Right now, I'm choosing the one notebook. And at the bottom, you would notice that this designed for a front cover and black cover only. And if you want to continue, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. All right. You can add a higher quality image. All right. And do a final check. You can simply download a PDF to a final proof, read and see how your design will look once printed. Now, if you are really sure about the design and you wanted to proceed with the printing of this, click on the add to cart. And as you can see, notebooks are one. If you want to edit details, if you have like last minute changes, you are welcome to do that. And of course, all you're going to do now is click on the checkout process. All right. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to go to the see all. If you have an option to download it on Google Drive, you can do that. Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and PowerPoint. If you want to share this to your social media channels, you are welcome to do that by clicking on the Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, or TikTok. And if you want to forward this as an email attachment or in WhatsApp, iMessage, Facebook Messenger, you are also welcome to do that. Basically, if you plan on printing it yourself, you need to use a high quality printer paper, especially for the cover. You can also take the file to a professional printer. Now again, for a digital journal, you can share the PDF with others so you can keep it on your device for daily use. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.